Hello everyone. As you all know that NABARD application form is already out and many students are preparing for the NABARD examinations. Okay, so from today we are going to start with previous year questions NABARD series. Okay, in this NABARD series we will cover most of the previous year questions that has been asked in the examinations. Okay, see, this portion will cover only the general agriculture part of the NABARD syllabus. After that, in between the NABARD series of previous year questions, we'll also give you some lectures regarding important topics that is under the syllabus of NABARD. Okay, so let's start the lecture. First thing, see, when you talk about the NABARD agriculture portions, most of the questions that are asked in the NABARD that are from basic agriculture, and few topics are from the current topics also. Okay, so mostly we will try to cover the basic agriculture as well as the current topics like various schemes, subsidy, and or various steps taken by the government for the farmers. These are various that funding that is done by the NABARD. All these things we'll cover in the our NABARD series. Okay, first for starting near about 9 to 10 lectures, we are going to cover about the previous year questions that was asked in the NABARD. When you see the question, it may look you little bit easy that, oh, this is so easy question. But this is the fact that when you see the questions, previous year paper of NABARD from general agriculture, most of the questions are asked from the basic of general agriculture. So don't take it in easy way of because that don't judge the question by its level. Okay, just you have to score good. You have to give your full strength in solving the question. See. First question was asked, this question, that yellow revolution is related to which of the following? Okay, you know, there has been various revolution in agriculture sector. The question is asked about the yellow revolution is related to which of the following? First is jute, second is oilseed, milk, honey, and meat. Okay, see, there are various revolutions. Suppose when you talk about the protein revolution, what is protein revolution? It is for the higher production. After that, when you talk about the our questions, that is yellow revolution, that is for the wild seed production. After that, when you talk about the black revolution, that is for petroleum products. Again, when you talk about the this brown revolution, that is for the leather and coca. When you talk about the golden fiber revolution, that is for jute production. When you talk about the golden revolution, that is for fruits or horticulture development. Again, when we talk about the gray revolution, that is related to fertilizer. When you talk about the pink revolution, that is related to onion or prawn. When you talk about the evergreen revolution, that is related to the overall production of agriculture. Okay, next, when you talk about the silver revolution, that is related to the egg or poultry production. Silver fiber, that is related to cotton. When you talk about the red revolution, that is for the meat production or tomato production. Brown revolution is related to potato. Green revolution is related to food grains. White revolution related to milk production. While talk about the sweet revolution, that is related to honey production. But the question was asked about the wild seed production and this yellow revolution, and that is related to wild seed production. Next, when you talk about this fish revolution, this is actually blue revolution, that is related to fish production. That is blue revolution. Okay, the question is yellow production is this yellow revolution is related to which of the following? That will be wild seed. Next, what is fat content for double toned milk? In the previous, if you are watching our daily minute series, then you must have seen that we have covered the milk topic very nicely. We have covered the milk topic in 4 steps, means in 4 lectures. In first lecture, we have covered regarding the milk production. After that, physical and chemical properties of milk and the milk constituent of different species, what different techniques that is used in the milk industry. After that, we are talking about the milk products and this milk product and the milk byproduct. Different things we have covered, and after that, we have covered also the questions that was asked previously in the examination, various examination regarding the milk. There also this portion was covered about the fat content and SNF content. Then this question is, what is the fat content of double toned milk in percentage of, say, it is 3%, or it is 1.5%, it is 0.5%, it is 4.5%, or it is 3.5%. You can see when you talk about the, see, question is asks about the double toned milk. See, if you talk about the cow, then milk fat is 3.5% and SNF is 8.5%, buffalo 5% fat, 9% SNF, goat and sheep 3% fat, 9% SNF, standard rice milk 4.5% fat, 8.5% SNF, recombined milk 3% fat, 8.5% SNF, toned milk 3% fat and 8.5% SNF. Now just half, 1.5% fat is present in double tone milk and 9% SNF is present in double tone milk. Skim milk 0.5% fat and 8.7% SNF. Okay, then our question was asked about the double tone milk percentage, then this is 1.5%. This is very important chart. In every examination, almost one question is asked from this questions, this portion. Okay. After that, this question I have already discussed in our YouTube video regarding milk, when we were talking that the fat present in the milk is in the form of emulsions, and which type of emulsion is that? While in water emulsion form. This question was asked in IBPS AFO 2020. Where is headquarter of Central Institute of Medicinal Aromatic Plants? See, means in NABARD, the questions are asked from this institution also, place where that institution is situated, or year in which that institution was established. Okay, then this question is asked about the medicinal aromatic plant. The question is, options are Lucknow, that is in UP, Anand, Gujarat, okay, New Delhi, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Okay, see, Central Institute of Medicinal Aromatic Plant, this is in Lucknow, UP. Okay, Central Institute of Horticulture is in Nagaland, and National Medicinal Plant Board, that is in New Delhi. Then question was asked about the Central Institute of Medicinal Aromatic Plant, then that will be Lucknow, UP. Next is, in which place National Research Center for Orchid is located? First option is Pakyong, that is in Sikkim. Okay, Ajmer, that is in Rajasthan, Trichi, Varanasi, and Pune. Okay. Now, when you see, it asks about the National Research Center, then you see the various research center, like in National Center for Integrated Pest Management is located in New Delhi. Again, we talk about the National Research Center for Lychee, this is in Muzaffarpur. Where in Muzaffarpur? It's in Bihar. Okay. National Research Center for Grapes, Pune, Maharashtra. National Research Center for Banana, Trichy, Tamil Nadu. National Research Center for Seed Spicery, it is in Ajmer, Rajasthan. National Research Center for Pomegranate, it is in Solapur, Maharashtra. National Research Center for Orchids, that is Pakyong, Sikkim. And the question is asked regarding this only. National Research Center for Camel, it's in Bikaner, Rajasthan. National Research Center for Meat, Hyderabad. Okay. National Center for Integrated Yak, that is West Kamyak, Arunachal Pradesh. National Research Center for Mithun, it is in Nagaland, and National Research Center for Integrated Farming, recently, this is in Motiari, Bihar. Okay, the question is asked about the, in which place National Research Center for Orchid is located, that will be Pakyong and Sikkim. Per drop, more crop is component of. Okay, then first option is PMFBY. PMFBY means Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, PMKSY, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Soil Health Card, PM Kisan, PM Kusum. You know, Fasal Bima Yojana, that for this is insurance against the failure of the crop. Okay, and for the Rabi crops, premium is 1.5%, Kharif is 2%, and for horticulture, annual crop is 5%. This is another thing. This was launched in 2016. Next is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This was launched on 1st July 2015. Again, this is soil health card. PM Kisan, for that each farmer is given 6,000 rupees in a year in 3 installment. Okay, this is PM Kusum. Okay, but per drop more component is component of, the question is asked this, then you must know, then this is component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana has various component. First is accelerated irrigation benefit program and compound area development. After that, when you talk about, this is not compound area, this is command area. This is command area. development. After that, there is a minor irrigation, means har khet ko pani, har khet ko pani. After that, watershed development. After that, micro irrigation, means per drop more crop. Okay, and see, this question was asked about per drop more crop. This is component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana. Then our answer will be PM KSY. The detailed explanation of the schemes will be given you later on, but for right now we are restricted to the questions only. MSP of agriculture commodities announced by. The question is announced by. See, already we have given you video regarding the MSP. We have given their detailed explanation. You can see in our YouTube video. But for now, you must know that this for MSP of agriculture, this minimum support price, this is generally recommended by CACP, but it is announced by the government of India. Okay. In Kusum scheme, what does S stands for? Security, Suraksha, strength, source, or none? See, must know what is the full form of Kusum. It is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uttam Mahabhiyan. Okay, then S stands for Suraksha. This was asked in the NABARD. Now let's know something about the PM Kusum. This was launched in 2019. This scheme aimed at ensuring means energy security for the farmers. Energy security to the farmers. This that entire electric power that is installed in the country, this scheme aims to increase the installed capacity from fossil fuel, from non-fossil fuel to 40% by 2030. Okay, there are various components of this scheme. There are component A, component B, component C. In suppose to talk about the component A, in component A means for setting of up 10,000 megawatt of decentralized grid and connected renewable energy power plants on barren area in component A. When you talk about the component B, that is for installation of 17.50 lakh standalone solar agriculture pumps. In component C, there is solarization of 10 lakh grid connected agriculture pumps. There are various component of this PM Kusum, and there is a this financial assistance to various components that we will discuss when we will study the schemes. Okay. Which instrument is used to measure a specific gravity of milk? Lactometer, hydrometer, manometer, lysimeter, or photometer. Okay, I know you all know this answer. Answer will be lactometer. Okay, you can see various instruments. Suppose we talk about the pyranometer. This is to measure total insulation. After we talk about hydrometer, a specific gravity of liquid, manometer, root pressure, lactometer, density of milk, lysimeter, ET means evapotranspiration, percolation, piezometer, pressure of groundwater, pyranometer, both long and short wavelength, barometer, atmospheric pressure, anemometer, wind velocity, heliograph, duration of bright sunshine. Okay. Then next question is, according to agriculture census of 2015-16, how much percentage of land holdings are small and marginal? Okay. Then options are 86.21, 0.5%, 0.57, 14.29, 44.8 to 9.04. Okay. See, when you talk about the agriculture census 2015-16, okay, then according to that, the percentage share of land holdings is given in the here. See, if you talk about the small and marginal farmer means, see, first you see the category of farmers. When you talk about the marginal farmers, then marginal farmers means farmers having land holding size of less than 1 hectare. Okay, when you talk about small farmers, then it's a 1 to 2 hectare. After that, semi-medium, then it's 2 to 4 hectare, and medium, it's a 4 to 10 hectare, and large is greater than 10 hectare. Okay, then when you talk about the small and marginal, means 0 to 2 hectare, then 86.2% of farmers have this category of land holdings, and a semi-medium and medium 2 to 10 hectare, that is 13.12%, and large greater than that is 0.5%. The question was asked regarding the agriculture census 2015-16, and small and marginal farmers, that will be 86.21. See, our answer will be 86.21. Daily we are going to come with few about 8 to 10 questions regarding the previous year questions of the NABARD. So okay, so if you the basic agriculture is a static portion. Okay, the question has to be asked from the same portions year by year. So you have to make your basic agriculture so strong that at least from this part, none of the questions should be left in the examinations. When you see the various questions that has been asked in the previous examinations, you get a means guidelines, means in which way your preparation should go. Okay, so you must watch the video at least, because this video content is of nearly 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And if you see that, you'll get, first thing, if you have studied, then you'll get the revision. Second thing, if you have did not study, you'll get the idea how to study, what to study. Okay, in spite of that, apart from that, we have launched the various courses regarding various examinations support. We have launched the NABARD agriculture courses. Okay, that is complete PDF notes that you can study online. You'll get the summary sheet also before the examinations, that is available at now 38% discount, that you will get now. You can get it from 799 only. Again, you can see I've already tell you about the AFO courses, that if you take the complete AFO courses, that means PDF notes, pre-recorded classes plus test series, that you will get in 2799. If you take about take the PDF notes plus test series, that you can available at 1499. All these things will cover the summary sheets, subject by quiz, weekly doubt session. Okay, after that, if you take only PDF notes, which will contain the PDF for the online study, summary sheets for the quick revision, free interview guidelines, study materials, previous year video analysis, that we can available at 999 only. Okay, now there is RW scale 2 examination also. For that also, course is available at 40% off. Okay, in that also you'll get the detailed PDF course for online study, summary sheets for quick revision, free interview study material, previous RRB question analysis, demo lecture. All these are available in our website. Okay, so guys, see you in next video. Thank you.